Well, I gotta say, this is becoming the amplifier from hell. Here's the FL-7000, what's left of it. So I found that there's a calamity of errors here, or not errors, calamity of problems. So I did replace the 7812 12-volt regulator on the power supply here. It goes right there. And I was gonna test the amplifier today, and I kind of flickered a few times and the front panel went out, pretty much the way it did when I first got it. And I thought, okay, so the 7812 I put in has burned out because the thing's drawing too much current, drawing about an amp. And that's all that chip can do. So I thought something is drawing too much current. So I'm just kind of desperately looking around, and I find the front panel, when I would wiggle this front panel, it would change the current by 0.5 amp. It would go down. So I thought something's amiss on this front panel. I don't quite know what it is, but I thought there's probably a loose solder joint. And when that solder joint comes loose, it turns something on or something. I don't know. But I've gone through here, and pretty much when I pressed this part of the board down, it would change. So I pretty much resoldered a lot of this area. Didn't do too much over here. I guess I could replace the hack transistor I have in here while the board's up, but you know what? The hack there is working. Now, is that contributing to the short? I don't know. At any rate, I guess I'm gonna shove it back together and see if it'll work when I flex the board. And if it does, then I'm closer to a victory. Then I gotta replace this regulator again. I've been running it off my power supply with the current meter running to see how much current this thing runs at 12 volts. So that's how I actually started this whole thing. I attached a power supply to the pilot light here, and then I started to debug the processor, which wouldn't boot. So this has been a tough cookie to crack. A lot of small problems. I just hope when I get to the RF area that it's okay. Probably not. Think positive. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.